¿Cómo estás, everyone? It's Matt here, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Kingpins.
All right. How's it going, everyone? This is Will here.
So today, what we're going to be discussing is why it's more important to adopt cloud practices in 2020 than it ever has been before.
Yes, cloud computing has grown exponentially in the past, but because of the recent development of the global pandemic situation, cloud computing has become more of a modern trend in the tech community and also in regular households.
So many of these companies are likely to adapt some of these processes where they're forced to learn during this trial run.
Yes, and because of this, more businesses are equating cloud adoption to more resilient to social distancing measures. The more adopted they are to cloud computing, the higher continuity they will have in a time like this. The more adopted they are to cloud computing, the less likely they will get any type of hiccup throughout this entire pandemic situation. Let's say a tech startup is developing a social networking app. And because of this pandemic situation, there has been an influx amount of daily active user on their platform. They would have to require more servers to support these higher number of users. And because of that, cloud computing can help them easily make that transition. They simply need to add more containers or servers from an infrastructure level to support higher volume of traffic. This is an example of how cloud computing can help businesses to ease transition and uncertainty from an infrastructure level. Another example is everyone is using some type of video conferencing product, whether it's Zoom, Google Hangout, or Microsoft Teams, or Amazon Chime. Everybody's using it because they need to have this face-to-face communication virtually. Because companies need to conduct business meetings or because family relatives need to see each other. This is an example of using software as a service to help companies and family households throughout a time like this. Overall, the risk of damage to your business is minimized the more you're able to adapt to cloud solutions. And even in school, if the school is able to adapt to cloud solutions, they would be able to continue teaching their lessons without any type of interruption with their students.
All of this ultimately ties into cultural shift. With everything that's going on, there's a pretty good chance, in fact, it's very likely that this trend is going to continue. Probably going to be a while before, for example, people start doing simple things like shaking hands with each other again. And you have examples of companies like Twitter that are predicting this is probably going to go on for a while, and they're even letting their employees work from home indefinitely.
Yeah, and Goldman Sachs just said roughly about 50% of their employees can work from home forever. Can you imagine that? A big financial firm like Goldman Sachs, they're adopting working from home because of this COVID situation.
And with just a few big key players like that making those decisions, there's a good chance that's going to snowball through other companies as well. It's going to start a trend.
And lastly, things are already heading in this direction. In the last decade, cloud computing has grown exponentially. It has offered businesses security, scalability, reliability, and process automation. All those benefits is now stimulated because of the recent change in social behavior.
So there you have it. Those are just some of the reasons why it's more important than ever to adopt cloud computing in 2020. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give the video a like. If you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave them down below. We look forward to answering your questions and chatting with you. And if you want to see more great content, don't forget to subscribe.
Other than that, stay safe, everyone. Peace out.